Alright, this cobbled up mess was air conditioner. We're going to remove the copper and see how much we get. We'll throw it in this bin that I have off to the side here.
This copper bin, even though it's a little broke, but I'm simply just going to throw it in our barrel.
Right, it goes into a barrel after we're done.
What are you looking for? Steel?
Brass.
I took care of it. It's out the door.
Okay.
So just sit on the counter. Should I bring my keyboard? Yeah, it's right here.
So that means we have some radiators we have to do. That is a flat edge. Phillips.
Hey Davey, you know that piece of wood that you gave Zoe to cut?
Yeah.
Is that the same piece of wood standing up in the corner near our casting stuff?
Yeah.
After this video, we go get Zoe.
Okay.
See if Dom notices this brand new roll of black tape, okay? When she comes back out to the shed. Oh, my dad said he has some copper tubing for us.
Okay.
We gotta clean that tool up too.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Can you bring the garbage bag out?
You want a hammer? I got one right here. I think one of our next videos within a few days is doing all those motors in that bin. What do you want to do?
Fine with me. You know what I like about scrapping? How you can set down a tool and forget where you put it.
You like that?
No.
That's the most aggravatingest part.
Yeah. That was me being sarcastic.
Oh, I know. I was just saying you because I thought you were serious at first. I was about to say, Davey, I don't know about that. You're actually using a screwdriver.
Yeah.
You dropped something. That's copper? Oh yeah, that's the
That's copper.
skinny stuff.
Yeah. All we have left now is these radiators to clean up. Put the copper in the copper thing. This to clean out. And this little motor here.
Mm-hmm. You better not be into nothing, Trixie. Grab it. I'm gonna get the blue girl.
There we go, another chunk of copper. And you have this thing up here. Okay.
She's running with a monster truck.
Oh, yeah?
A baby monster truck.
Uh,
I hate this door. I got 2 cartridges for you. That's kind of cool. Don't you have to take that apart?
yeah.
I just cleaned back there.
Alright, that's not coming out.
David, could that be because there's
There's a copper thing in it. Hand me the small sledgehammer.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. I don't want that one.
Where's the small one?
I don't know. We used it for over here.
I just saw both of them right here.
What else is over there? What other hammer? Oh.
Ladies and gents, this is what he does on his free time.
That ain't gonna work. Might have to find a wrench. More copper. Steel.
You didn't want that screwdriver.
No, not really.
I can't wait for dinner. That sounds so good.
Oh, the roast?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Mom was like, "Are you almost done? How many more carrots you gonna put in?" She goes, "Is that enough now for ya?" I was sitting there eating the carrots and got distracted.
Yeah.
I'm teaching my dog how to take a bite and not the whole thing. Or to like be gentle with it, you know?
Yeah.
It's working. It's just with carrots, she didn't want to take just a little bite. She would scrape it, but she didn't want to take a bite. I got her to take a bite of my Twizzler.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, I'm gonna eat after.
Okay.
What are you looking for? What kind of screwdriver?
More of a wrench or a crescent wrench.
All over there. Like this little thing?
No. Socket would be better.
We should have made them their own little shelf on the wall.
Yeah. We're not done with it in here yet.
Oh, I know.
Garbage bag. Sometimes you want to check these to make sure these aren't copper as well. That one is steel. Here. Garbage. Alright. I need my orange can over there to put oil in. You know, and we got our steel. We got our copper and stuff.
Your orange can. Maybe red?
Where did I put that damn hammer? Huh.
I just gave it to you.
Yeah. My brain's kind of flighty. My sugar's been up high. And these go into steel. This goes into the copper. Alright guys, it's time to open it up. And that has copper on it here and here. So we'll have to remove that.
Your cutter.
What about it?
Your cord on top of your ankle grinder. Right down.
This?
The cord on top of that. When you moved the ankle grinder, that was pulling.